Yo guys, and welcome back to this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing the Bitcoin price action, where we are currently forming a new continuation pattern right now on the Bitcoin 30-minute time frame. As well, we are going to discuss other very important charts here, like this one hourly candles over here. We are still getting supported by the EMA ribbon towards the upside. Is this right now the moment that we are going to see the breakout towards the 50k getting created here? We will be discussing it in today's video, since as well we are seeing pretty bullish consolidation right now playing out here on the 4-hourly candles. We are literally getting rejected several times by this level, but the more times we are going to knock on the 49.4k here on these 4-hourly candles, the more likely it is going to be that we're going to break through as well here. So if this sounds interesting, and if you are interested in the next major Bitcoin move we are about to get creating here, make sure that you are going to right away smash up these like buttons, and as well subscribe to this channel if you're new here and if you haven't already heard of this before. So with that out of the way, let me go right away into the video, and let me start off with discussing the Bitcoin 30-minute time frame. So Bitcoin, what are we seeing right now, and what is extremely likely to play out over here? So it looks to be, of course, that since Bitcoin, of course, created this huge move towards the upside, we were, of course, going up in two legs here. First leg up here, consolidation, another leg up here, and right now we're consolidating once again here. But this looks like right now we are consolidating a little bit longer than previously over here, since, of course, the previous consolidation phase took us approximately 20 hours, and right now we are already consolidating for over 1 day and 17 hours. So I personally do expect that we're about to see either a major move towards the upside getting created from here on, or either a big move towards the downside. And that is, of course, and this significant symmetrical triangle is, of course, going to help us to say and identify where the trend is heading towards. Since right now we are once again forming higher lows together with lower highs, but since we are right now still in an uptrend, I do expect to see this pattern still break out towards the upside as well. And I'll be right now as well right away revealing my price target of this significant symmetrical triangle, since if this is going to break out here, I want to be seeing, of course, first of all, a 30-minute candle close above this resistance line. After that, on the retest, you could be potentially look for a trade opportunity as well here, but this could be a very significant move of an approximately 2.6% here. And of course, if you're using a 10x leverage, you're going to gain 26% of this move here. So yeah, there's definitely a lot of possibilities right now here in this significant time of recording here. I would also love to see maybe a retracement back towards the lower side to add even more significance on the lower side of this symmetrical triangle, because the more touch points there are on this significant symmetrical triangle, the more significant it is going to break out over here. So yeah, we'll be, of course, keeping you guys up to date about the symmetrical triangle like I always do here as well. If you're interested in, of course, trading this one as well, you should be, of course, checking out my Twitter page right now here at RoverCSC. If you're going to follow me on Twitter right now, and as well ring the bell notification on Twitter, you will be staying up to date, of course, about the next trade that we're going to make, or the next breakout of this symmetrical triangle. So yeah, if you're interested in just finding out about what Bitcoin is going to do, like always, make sure to follow me as well, not only on YouTube. Don't only subscribe to me on YouTube, but as well follow me here on Twitter to stay up to date about all these other developments, because if I'm not live or if I'm not uploading a video, I will be, of course, with you guys here on Twitter. So make sure to check that out already. So let me right now move on further, and let me discuss the 1 hourly chart. So yeah, you can clearly see the 1 hourly chart is definitely right now in an uptrend, and we are still, of course, going in. Yeah, we're still forming higher highs and higher lows. Previously we were in a downtrend. Then you can see the EMA ribbon flipping red, and right now, of course, the EMA is still bullish. And as long as the EMA is bullish, we could be looking to find a lot of support on it, like we did here. So finding support on it. As soon as we're breaking below it, we're finding resistance on it. So yeah, what we are right now seeing here is as well, we broke bullish out of the EMA ribbon. Then we retest the support, support, and we will be most likely see a bounce from here on getting created once again. So yeah, this looks very healthy, and it looks to be that the EMA ribbon, aka the moving averages, is still providing us the support, since we are right now in an uptrend. But right now I want to be going over the most important part here of the current video, in my opinion, since right now, of course, Bitcoin has been trading against the 49.4k. We already told everyone yesterday that this is going to be a major level of resistance, and you can see it clearly playing out here. Every single 4-hourly candle got rejected by it. Of course, we were seeing, if we're putting this one on the 1-hourly candle, some closes above. But I will be, of course, personally look at the 4-hourly candles to determine a breakout of this significant level of resistance, since the 4-hour was not able to break through here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches already, and I can tell you already, the more times we're going to knock on this door, lower, the more likely it's going to be that we're going to break through. And as soon as I'm seeing a 4-hourly candle close above the 49.4k, my realistic next price target here, if I'm looking back to historical resistance, will be 51.358. So the reason why I'm choosing this level here is, of course, if I'm looking back towards the price action of Bitcoin, previous support, previous resistance, support, of course over here as well support, and here major resistance. So we see a lot of significance on this level right now here, and I personally do expect, if we're going to increase in valuation, that this will be the major level that is going to provide us the resistance. I personally do think that we're absolutely going to smash through the 50k, and we will be finding at least a little bit of resistance here on the top side. We could be after that as well see a very significant correction if this is going to happen, and if we're of course increasing back towards 51k and after that fall right away below the 50k once again here, it is going to signify that we are really going to see a trend reversal, and that we could be maybe opting towards seeing the 44k once again here. But that's of course a thing that we have to be reevaluating on if it's going to happen. But I will already tell you, as soon as we're breaking above the 50k, I want to be seeing the 50k holding us as support, and at least the 49.4k, since these are some very strong levels of previous resistance, what I just want to be getting held at as support, of course. So right now as well, it looks to be that we are looking very healthy as well. If I'm looking to the RSI and MACD, it looks to be that we're just having consolidation, like you can clearly see as well here in the 4-hourly chart. We're just going sideways, literally calm before the storm. The MACD is right now dropping off here. We are about to see a bearish crossover playing out here, but it's mainly because we're not pumping and not dumping. But for sure, this is as well giving some more opportunities and some more room to grow for these other push towards the upside. So we reset the price action, and we are right now ready to increase once again as well. If I'm looking at the money flow, the trend is still looking very healthy. We are forming a higher high in the price chart, higher high in the money flow, and this one higher high in the price chart. So the trend is looking very healthy. We're not seeing any divergence right now playing out in the 4-hourly candles, what is making me feel very happy, because if I'm not seeing any divergence, it is very likely to of course increase further in valuation. So my personal expectation here is as well to see a breakout towards the upside of the symmetrical triangle, and as well to see this level around to 51.4k either today or tomorrow getting reached here. So looking forward towards that one already as well, guys. For all the people that are willing and interested in it as well here, you could be joining right now our competition here. If you're going to join our competition, you are eligible as well for the 7.5 million prize pool, and you can be joining the Crypto Rover team right now here. We already have 70 members on board here, and the more people that are going to join our team, the stronger the team is going to become, and the more people are in the team, the more likely it is that we're going to win it. And we could be literally win 20% of the prize pool. So make sure to join the team already here. Link in the description towards this competition here. It's a trading competition, and it is run through Bybit. So we are opening a trade through this platform, Bybit. So you could be already as well sign up here with the link description, because if you're right now signing up with my link in the description, you will be as well getting a $1,680 deposit bonus. And of course, you could be joining me with the trades that I'm giving here to you guys here on my Twitter page and on YouTube, of course. Today, I don't clearly have a trade setup. Of course, I will be maybe taking this trade over here, but if I will be opening a long position, I will be announcing it like you guys already know. But I think it's too risky right now to open a long position. But for sure, I will be looking for a breakout here, because this will be helping me to maybe look at a short position anytime soon here, because maybe I will be trying to short the 51.4k here. I think it is going to be a very significant level of resistance. But if you want to be staying up to date about that here, make sure to ring the bell notification on this channel, and as well make sure to follow me on Twitter, because I will be of course for sure announcing once I'm going to open a new position. So this was already it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much once again for watching here, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.